How to build a generator from trash when the grid is gone, the lights are dead, and your fridge smells like corpses. No more sockets, no more gas stations, just ruins, silence, and junk. If you want power in the apocalypse, you won't find it in a store. You'll build it out of scraps. Imagine it. Streets dark, towers collapsed, cities humming with nothing but flies. Your phone? A useless brick. Your radio? Static. Your flashlight? Dead. Energy is survival. Heat, light, signals. Without it, you're prey. So let's turn trash into a generator. Not a Tesla, not even close, but enough to keep the dark a little less hungry. Step 1. Find a bike. Rusted, bent, doesn't matter. Strip off the wheel. Step 2. Scavenged wire. Any copper, from motors, old appliances, even ripped up speakers. Step 3. Magnets. Junkyards are full of them, in microwaves, speakers, dead hard drives. Wrap the wire into coils. Attach magnets around the wheel. Spin the wheel? Congratulations, you just built a dynamo. It won't power a house, but it will charge a phone, a radio, or make a light bulb glow like a dying star. Science. Moving magnets push electrons through coils. Electricity born from motion, scavenged from ruin. No bike? No problem. Find flowing water, sewer runoff, rain gutters, or a drainage pipe. Build a paddle wheel out of trash wood, plastic bottles, or bent sheet metal. Attach your scavenged dynamo setup to the axle. Let the current spin it while you sit back and try not to freeze. The river does the work. You get the charge. Apocalypse hydropower. Ugly, slow, but steady. Still nothing? Build a wind rig. Use fan blades from a broken AC, plastic scraps, or even bent road signs. Mount them to a pole, street sign, rebar, anything tall and solid. Connect blades to your coil and magnet dynamo. Now every gust of radioactive wind turns into power. Not much, but enough to run LEDs, radios, maybe even a heating coil if you don't mind setting your bunker on fire. Don't expect miracles. These trash generators won't run your fridge or power a bunker disco, but in survival, watts mean life. One LED light keeps you sane. One radio whisper tells you you're not alone. Electricity isn't luxury anymore. It's proof you're still alive. Science takeaway? Energy is everywhere. Motion, water, wind. Magnets plus wire equals current. Chaos into survival. So when the grid is dead and night swallows the world, remember, trash is your toolbox. Physics is your fuel. Build a generator, light a bulb, charge a radio. It won't bring back civilization, but it'll keep the dark from winning.